Hello guys, today I will show you about this electric die cutting machine. As we know, some of our cutting dies will be too complicated, so if you use the manual die cutting machine, you may need to cut it several times or it's hard to cut it out. This will happen sometimes. If I will show you. If you need to cut it for several times and in different direction. Okay. It can be cut out, but as we all know, this may spend a lot of time, or maybe it's if you have some more complicated die cutting die, and it's hard to use by this machine. And now, what if we use this electric die cutting machine to cut out the letter? Okay, let's try what we will get. Is the PU letter. The thickness is about 1 millimeter. And if you want to use the die cutting machine with the PU letter, you need to put one more letter under it. If you have some scrap letter, you can put the scrap letter under it. And press this button. Okay, it will stop, and press the red button. Okay, use something to get it from this hole. Okay, it works well. Even I put 2 cutting dies and try to cut them up at the same time, it still works very well. And I just cut it for 1 time. This will help you save a lot of time and improve your working efficiency. And let's try it again. And this is the real letter. The thickness is about 2 millimeter. as you can see, the edge is neat and it cuts very perfect. This machine is special. It's designed for the complicated cutting dies, and it can cut them for one time. This will help you a lot for saving time, for improving working efficiency. Thanks for watching the video. This video was made by Johnson.